Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to set a custom ringtone on iPhone iOS 26. So basically previously if you want to set a custom ringtone, then there was a lengthy process, which means you have to use a different kind of apps uh, which use your ringtones as a custom ringtone. First of all, you have to simply pass through the all the apps, like different apps on the app store. Then you have to simply download the apps, and after that you can simply set and a custom song as your ringtone. But now iOS 26 has make it easier for you to set any song as your custom ringtone. So if you want to set us any song, then you have to simply download that song, and after that you have to simply go to that file of that song, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold, and you have to set it as your ringtone, which means if you press and hold and mp3 file on your files, and after that there will be option available add to your ringtones, and you will be able to set it as a custom ringtone. But how you can simply cut a song into 30-second or less than 30-second song? So there are many apps available on the app store which provide you that facility, like a music cutter. So you can simply cut the music of your own custom demand, then you can simply use it in your ringtone, which means you can simply uh, use music cutter and any apps which provide you that facility, and after that you can simply cut that sound, and you can use it as your ringtone. You can simply cut the sound of any song, and after cutting the sound, that file will be available as your mp3 file, and you can simply go to files, and after that selecting and press and hold the file, and you will be able to set it as your ringtone. And after adding into your ringtone, you have simply go to settings, and after that you have to simply go to the sound and haptics, and you can go to ringtone, and that sound will be available in your ringtones, and you can set it as your custom ringtone. So in this way you can simply set any song as your custom ringtone with the help of iOS 26, because in previous updates it was not available. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.